and founders of NeuroRoute. NeuroRoute is not just about finding the optimal path. NeuroRoute is about making your journey smoother, cleaner, greener, and more efficient. Nowadays, a FedEx manager has to handle hundreds, maybe thousands of delivery points every day. If he has number of vehicles, he has to find best optimal route from source to destination for 1000 delivery points every day. And Abhishek हमको NeuroRoute, yes, name change करो. I already told that a FedEx manager has to handle hundreds, maybe thousands of delivery points every day. And if he has a number of vehicles, and if he has to find best optimal route from source to destination, so he have to consider 1000 location delivery point every day by considering the factor of cost and efficiency. But this has many problems. So let's taking everyone in the scenario. So imagine you are a FedEx employee, and it's Monday morning. You are already late to your work, and you stress out, and you grab a key, rush to your work, and you found in half an hour you are in the middle of heavy traffic. Top on that, you found that you don't have much fuel to reach the destination. On top on that, it starts raining, so you are stressed out and late at the same time. Take the same scenario but different approach. It's Monday morning, clouds are outside, you are already late to your work, but again, and you grab a key, but this time you open an app which not only give you optimal path but also give you suggestion about the fuel consumption, carbon emission, AQI. AQI stands for air quality index, and Gemini suggestions and real-time traffic analysis data and real-time instant data. So this is our new route. And to deep dive better into my friend Chandan will explain the problem statement and solution.
So let's deep dive into the problem statement. So logistics and transportation industry mainly faces this problem. To get optimized vehicle route and to ensure the timely deliveries. We also have to consider sustainability problem to reduce the emissions. So as we can see from the data, around 71% of the emissions coming from the transportation industry coming from the road transportation. And when we are talking about the problem, we can solve this problem by using these 3 points. By developing an advanced routing system, this routing system will choose an optimal path between source and destination so that you can reach the destination in less time than you are getting from the Google. Secondly, when we are talking about the carbon footprint, we are talking about sustainability. When we are talking about sustainability, and third is integration of multiple APIs. When we are integrating multiple APIs, for example, TomTom for traffic analysis and OSRM for routing, we are using specified APIs which are catered for that purpose only. So by integrating this, we can ensure that travel efficiency and also improve customer satisfaction. So how we are going to tackle this? So we have created NeuroRoute which will tackle this problem. So what we did with our product differently than the others. So we have developed an advanced routing system that to give an optimal path between source and destination. And also we are using fuel consumption tracking. Suppose you are going from destination A to destination B. Now you don't have to worry about range anxiety, whether your fuel will get exhausted in the way, because it will give you about the estimation of fuel that you are getting, that you need into the route. Third point is API integration. We also integrated specified APIs that are needed to for that purpose. For example, TomTom for traffic analysis, OSRM, which is specifically designed to give route based on the traffic and considering data like weather and various other factors. Also, we are using carbon emission insights. For that, we have developed our own machine learning model, which will give you about the carbon emission data that can get emitted between the source and destination route for that purpose. And also an AI-powered recommendation system that will help you to reduce that carbon emissions that are getting emitted between the routes. So Aditya will give you a demo of the
Now you are familiar with NeuroRoute. Let me show you live demo of our app. This is our interface. We try to make the interface as simple as any common user can fetch with that and try to make UI as clean as possible. Here, for new user, we have added simple login and sign up screen where if you don't have account, user can simply create account by credentials. Because he has already account, then simply sign in. I get sign in. After logging in, we will language where the user's current location will be displayed on map, and there he wants to fetch the path. He has to give destination along with the other details like vehicle, fuel type, and vehicle name. So let's suppose we have to go from IIT Madras to Pune. So we will fetch the destination. We will suppose we will going from start, then we will type next visit, and our age is 3 years. So verified page, according page, optimal path from your current location to a desired location, we will fetch by open source routing machine, OSRM, with considering various factors like carbon emission, weather details, AQI, and less fuel emissions. Here is our route being displayed from your current location to a desired location along with of our app. This is our interface. We try to make the interface as simple as any common user can fetch with that, and try to make UI as clean as possible. Here, for new user, we have added simple login and sign up screen where if you don't have account, user can simply create account by in his credentials. Because he has already account, then simply sign in. I get sign in. After logging in, we will navigate to our home page where the user's current location will be displayed on map, and there he wants to fetch the path. He has to give destination along with the other details like vehicle, fuel type, and vehicle name. So let's suppose we have to go from IIT Madras to Pune. So we will fetch the destination. We will suppose we will going from start, then we will type next visit, and our age is 3 years. So verified page, according page, optimal path from your current location to a desired location, we will fetch by open source routing machine, OSRM, with considering various factors like carbon emission, weather details, AQI, and less fuel emissions. Here is our route being displayed from your current location to a desired location. Along with that, you can also see the information about the location like name of location, star ratings, then estimated time. Here, estimated consumption also will be displayed along with the other details. We have also displayed the weather during the how the weather will be during the route with the TomTom API. Then we have calculated the approximate AQI from source to destination in the form of graphs. We also have train model for carbon emission, calculating carbon emission. Also, we have integrated a Gemini model which will take the user input. On the basis of the user input, it will give you suggestions that will help you to optimize your journey. Here, Gemini is thinking, and here you can see Gemini will give you some optimized suggestions which you can use to implement to optimize your journey more. Along with this, we are using TomTom API for displaying real-time traffic and real-time incidents on the map. Along with this, you can also save these credentials on your history page. So next time, if you are going to same destination, with you have same credentials, same vehicle type, same fuel type, then you can directly navigate to the same direction. So you don't need to repeatedly add. You can also remove this, and you can also change your credentials. Edit them. So moving to the text type, Chandan will explain.
So for text type, for front-end development, we have used Flutter for cross-platform dependency, which can develop apps in Android as well as iOS as well. And also for backend tools, we have used Flask. We have also used machine learning model, which we have deployed on the render.com, from which we are fetching the carbon emissions data. And also we have used AI tools for algorithm for Gemini, and also for emissions calculations that are getting emitted during now.
Talking about the impact slide, our app basically impacting on the comprehensive travel ecosystem, financial impact, and environmental impact. Okay. So according to the World Bank report, that inefficient routing causing the developed country to lose their GDP by 1 to 2%. So this is a very big problem. And so basically our new route is saving hundreds of hours of people by saving them 1 to 2 minutes by giving a perfect routing to them. And second problem was the 8.26 million metric ton of carbon dioxide produced every year annually at a global level. So this is a very big number. To reduce this, no company thinking in that direction. So to reduce this, our app is giving first step like showing the how much carbon emission doing per travel. So that's showing the first step to reduce the carbon emission. And the accident by WHO report, the accident caused by the road and weather is 1.3 million people are injured and dead due to the improper road condition and that. So we are giving the weather data and alerts about the road and condition. And last but not the least, the biggest companies like Giant, FedEx are giving overall $14.3 trillion spending in the fuel and accommodation. So this is a very big number at the same time. So to save this, we are giving the fuel consumption details. So FedEx got the idea how much fuel it will take to travel from source to destination. So consider if any company have a 500 vehicle and it's that one vehicle is saving $2,000 fuel annually. So according to that, the $1 million saving will be done. So this is a small change make a big impact. Next slide. And this is our app, which is now you can download and scan the QR. Any questions?
So Korean is starting from station. He wants to download like 10 different countries. With your application, how will he be able to document?
The routes that is getting to that person is already optimized, but he's not getting number of routes. He is finding the best optimal route and showing that.
Your application shows the route from one place to another.
Correct.
But he has got different addresses to deliver the package. He wants to get the
For example, we are using like the same feature is called that we are using favorite. For example, you have to go from here to Bangalore to Pune, for example, Gujarat. You can use this in the same model. You can save these, you can add the favorite, and also you can use the list most optimized route for that. You can use same like from here to Pune route, from Pune to Mumbai route, like that. The same.